Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new, it is really difficult to speak, PRTUKYT, PRTUKYT 9S. These are Bluetooth headphones and they comes over here. It's a foldable wireless hi-fi stereo headset here with 60 hours of playtime. You have a wireless Bluetooth headset with a built-in microphone, 6 equalizer modes, volume control, FM for phone and personal computer. And it comes in black. It's also available in silver and gold. Up to 60 hours and wired mode. You have both wired mode and wireless mode. The PRTUKYT Bluetooth headphones over here provide 60 hours of continuous music and talking time rather than 10 hours, triple as much as other wireless headphones out there. It comes with a 3.5mm audio cable because when the battery runs out of power, the wireless headphones can be used as a wired headphone too. 9S provides high-quality built-in microphone for hands-free call, which is convenient for us to free ourselves from wires to provide our call with outstanding clarity. When we use the foldable headphones to talk with our friends, it is like talking face to face, nearly. 9S Bluetooth, the headphones are designed with 6 EQ modes. We have pop, classic, rock, jazz, deep bass, clear voice, and in addition, over-ear Bluetooth headphones are equipped with a high-quality Bluetooth 5.0 chip and powerful 57 dynamic drivers, which offers a transmission call range is 33 up to 65 feet and 3-second connection. These over-ear headphones feature soft pads and skin-friendly PU leather. This allows our ears cups to rest easy around our ears for a comfortable and snug fit. And a highly adjustable headband that can fit most head tapes regulated of the size. Several buttons and detailed controls in order for us to easily navigate and set up the desired volume and audio control. And on the headphones, there are buttons. We have the play and pause button. This is on the upper side. Of course, they are also used for phone answering and hang off and search FM while in FM mode. Okay. If we make a short press twice to radial the last number. Then we have the previous track button. Okay. This is really cool because it's easy. Short press for previous track and FM station. We hold on the button for volume down. Then, of course, we have a TF card slot. The card is not included, but we can attach there a card to use it. We have the AM button. Short press to switch to play mode, Bluetooth, FM mode, or TF mode. Okay, if we go to TF mode, we can hear some MP3, for example, from our TF card, of course. If we hold the M button, then we reset the headset and get it into pairing mode. We have the micro charging port on it. Micro is not the right thing to say. It's a USB-C port because the USB-C is up to date right now. Then we have a 3.5mm aux plug-in port. This is to attach an audio cable to it, and then you can talk it to your smartphone, for example, or your computer, for example, or other devices. Wired connection, okay? Then we have the plus button. We short press for the next track or the FM station. We hold the button to volume up. Then we have an EQ button. We make a short press to select the 6 kinds of the EQ experience. Of course, there is a switch too. This is for power on and off. Then we have an indicator light. A pairing mode is red and blue. Playing is no lights. Charging is red and fully charged is blue. Job's done. But how we can charge? It's really easy. You can use an AC adapter, USB plug, or your computer, your tablet, or a power bank to reload this battery, which is installed right in this wireless headphones here. Easily connected to the USB-C port and the other side to the USB-A port on your device, and then it will be recharged easily. If we are going to pair it, it's really easy. We go to our Bluetooth settings, get the headset into pairing mode, switch it on the first time, or press the M button for approximately 3 seconds, and then it will enter into the pairing mode. Then we go on the smartphone, for example, on the Bluetooth pairing area, and you can see there it is, the M9S. Easy. Then we push it and we paired. That's fun, that's easy, that's cool. Wireless Bluetooth 5.0, or you can use the wired connection. The headset button functions are easy. Yes, of course, they're easy because these are the right buttons on the right side if you're going to use it. Then we can use 6 equalizer modes. This is pop, classic, rock, jazz, voice, and deep bass. 60 hours of playtime because of the big battery which is installed. The Bluetooth version is 5.0. It's a wired and a wireless device in once. The drive is 40mm. The impedance is 32 ohm. The rated power is 20 milliwatt. The frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The sensitivity is 110 decibel. It's foldable, and the power supply is USB and DC 5 volt, 500 milliampere. The Bluetooth range is 33 up to 50 feet. It's at 10 up to 15 meters. This is the 9S Bluetooth headphone by PRTUKYT. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.